Plank variations are a fantastic way to engage your core and shed those extra pounds. Today, we're diving into some effective plank exercises that will not only challenge your strength, but also boost your metabolism. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic forearm plank. Position yourself face down, resting on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. This foundational move activates your entire core, helping to build stability and strength. Next, let's spice things up with a side plank. Transition to your side, balancing on one forearm and the side of your foot. Stack your legs and lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from head to feet. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. This variation targets your obliques, which are crucial for a well-defined waistline. Now, let's move into the plank with shoulder taps. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders. While maintaining a stable core, lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder. Alternate sides for 30 seconds. This exercise not only challenges your balance, but also engages your core and shoulders, making it a great full-body workout. Feeling the burn? Good. Let's add a dynamic element with the plank jacks. From a high plank position, jump your feet out wide and then back together like a jumping jack. Keep your core tight and your hips steady. Aim for 30 seconds of this explosive movement to elevate your heart rate and maximize calorie burn. For our final variation, we'll do the plank to push up. Start in a forearm plank, then push up onto your hands one at a time, returning to the forearm position. Alternate the leading arm and continue for 30 seconds. This exercise not only builds upper body strength, but also challenges your core stability. Remember, form is key in all these variations. Focus on engaging your muscles and maintaining proper alignment to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness. Incorporating these plank variations into your routine can significantly enhance your fat-burning efforts. If you've learned something from this workout, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to comment below. Keep pushing yourself and enjoy the journey to a stronger, healthier you